It's weird without kids, isn't it?
Yeah.
Seattle is as gray as we had expected. We're looking for what to eat.
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna grab some food.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
What is that? 8.5.
This one? Oh.
I love it, I love it, I love it.
Awesome. Let's check out the view. So we got massive construction site over here and adjacent building on the other side. This is the right spot where you look the best because of this soft lit light. How's the hotel?
I love it.
So far so good?
Yeah.
We're ready to hit the road. So what are we doing today?
We're gonna eat lunch. We're gonna visit the Starbucks center.
All right, so we're around the clock, so we're gonna rush off. But first off, we're gonna eat something, and after that, we're gonna head off to Starbucks. All right, let's go.
Okay.
So we're going Westlake to all the way down to
Soto.
All right, good. Thank you so much.
Oh yeah,
And, we'll
come
swing-
back.
Yeah, we'll come
And
back.
I'll let you know
We'll-
if I'm swinging by Nashville.
Yeah, we'll bump into each other again.
Yeah.
Well, that'll be a video actually. So my friend at Starbucks gave us a tour around Starbucks headquarters, and it's such a cool place. Thank you so much for giving us a tour and showing us what's here, and we're gonna get going to the next place.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Welcome to BILT North America 2019 here in the beautiful city of Seattle.